Hi. Almost everyone is struggling with manifestation. Struggling means what? Struggling means resistance. There are so much resistance in us, and there are lots of ways to release that resistance. And I'm going to share the most powerful way which helped me to release my resistance. Most of the time, what we do is we used to think about what we don't want in our life, instead what we want. And as you know, universe shows where the attention goes. And to fulfill this law, we attract what we don't want because we were thinking about that. So I just wanted to take a challenge for 1 month at least. In this challenge, you have to drop a habit, a bad habit, and pick a good habit. I want you to drop the habit of negative thinking and replace it with the positive thinking. And don't do it forcefully. I want you to notice your vibes for 1 month at least. Whenever you realize that you are feeling low, it means you are thinking about what you don't want instead what you want. Just replace it with the positive thinking by thinking what you want. You can practice gratitude, visualization, or anything to get rid of this. Just do it for 1 month and see the magic. See the positive changes.